On my first day of using Claude, I was super excited. I started building 3 artifacts: a cosmic mood generator, a CO2 calculator that works on mobile, and a Pomodoro timer that can make sound. All done in one chat. And then I wanted to build a cash flow dashboard. 40 minutes in, I ran out of token. I was stuck and I was feeling super frustrated. And then I did some research and realized that I did so many things the wrong way without realizing it. And this is what I learned. Every time you send a message, Claude doesn't just read that message. It rereads the whole conversation from the top to the bottom every single time. My first message was cheap, but every subsequent message becomes more and more expensive token-wise. By the 4th artifact, which I combined in one chat, Claude was rereading all the prompts from the 3 previous builds before that, and therefore it's just super expensive. I wasn't paying for that just one request, I was paying for all previous conversation stacked on top of each other. And nobody told me this. I learned this the hard way. The fix that actually works. The first fix, new chat per task. Doing this will clear the pile of context that Claude has to reread. One artifact, one chat, move on. And if you're using AI to ask questions, one topic, one chat. The second fix, batch your ask. If you have 3 things to ask them together in one message. It is more token efficient this way. 3 separate messages means 3 separate full reread of your conversation, which is less token efficient. Third fix, match the model to the job. Opus for hard reasoning, Sonnet for everyday work, Haiku for quick simple tasks. The gap in cost between this model is real, 5 times or more sometimes. And the fourth fix, match the effort to the level of thoroughness required. Low for simple tasks, medium is your default, and save high for when you actually need the depth. I thought using a project would save tokens. It doesn't. Documents sitting in your project knowledge get pulled into your context every time you send AI a prompt. Heavy project can burn through your limit faster, not slower. This is something that many people don't know. Your token allowance reset every 5 hours. Not once a day, every 5 hours. And the clock starts the second you send your first message. So I made it a habit. First thing in the morning, I will say hello to Claude. Just to start the clock. And this is so that the reset lands at around lunch break instead of an hour into the afternoon. It also means that I walk into my afternoon sprint with a fresh allowance. So here is my playbook now. Say hello before real work starts. New chat, one task. Batch the question. Select right model for the job. Low effort unless it's hard. And projects is for consistency, not for token savings. I'm Isabella Susilowati, a CFO with decades of business experience and founder of LighthouseAnalytix. Next week, I will deploy a real app that runs itself while I sleep. Follow along if you want to learn how to use AI and BI tools to save time and make more money. See you next time.